Hello, my name is Omar and I'm a programmer. I'm going to show you today how to save a file as a TIFF file if you have a PSD file. So obviously you're going to need Photoshop. So I have my Photoshop opened up and I'm going to open up my file. In order to open it up, I could just go to File, Open, or I can just double click the background and it'll open up the Open dialog. So I'm going to open up grass.psd. And I'm going to leave the color as it is. And so I have a picture of some grass and I want to save this as a TIFF. So I'm going to click on File and click Save As. And then I'm going to go to Format and scroll down where it says TIFF. Once I'm there, it's going to automatically save it to grass.tif. I'm going to click Save and it's going to ask me what kind of compression options I want. I could choose none, JPEG or zip, whatever. And I'm going to just press OK and I would have saved it as a TIFF file. I'm Omar and I hope you find my video informative. Have a good day.